Ang kasuotang din ito ay nasa orihinal ng paglikha ni Ginoong Leonel Jeronimo na kanyang kapatid.
Pilingin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Pilingin mo ang Pilipinas. At ang ngiti ng may kapal, taglay ng bawat nilalang. May lambing na dumuduyan sa buong pakiramdam. Pilingin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Dito ay itinadhana, araw-buwan at mga dada. Ganap na magniningning, kailan may di magdidilim.
Yeah, if you know what I'm talking about. Suitcase in the house, put the party's out. First choice, first love, if you ask the crowd. Come and shout it out. Everybody's gonna dance to this. I see the whole world party in the Philippines. Now with Angelique, Info Bueno on the TV screen.
This is like a samba, coming into Manila with the hitting and drums. Yeah, she shake it up and dance it like no more drama. And check, we're gonna choose Philippines, no one other. The world keeps talking, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of beauty, sea pieces of heaven.
Piliin mo